Days after Fab India received major backlash over an ad campaign that used an Urdu phrase to describe Diwali, BJP MP Anant Kumar Hegde has raised an objection against an advertisement by tyres major SEAT Limited, stating that it hurts Hindu sentiments. The commercial was posted on YouTube by SEAT Tyres in September. Hegde applauded the ad for raising awareness against bursting crackers and sought the company to also address the, quote, problem blocking roads in the name of Nawaz and noise emitted from mosques during Azan, unquote. The advertisement featured Bollywood actor Aamir Khan. It showed cricket fans celebrating post their team wins and was not related to Diwali. The Bharatiya Kisan Union on Thursday said the barriers at the protest site where they have been camping since November 2020 at the borders of Delhi have been put up by the Delhi police and not by the farmers. This came after the Supreme Court wrapped farmers' groups for blocking roads indefinitely to protest against 3 contentious agricultural laws. Farmers have the right to protest, but they cannot keep roads blocked indefinitely. You may have a right to agitate in any manner, but roads should not be blocked like this. People have the right to go on roads, but it cannot be blocked, an Apex Court bench of Justices S.K. Kaul and M.M. Sundaresh said. Defending the fuel price hike across the country, Uttar Pradesh Minister Upendra Tiwari on Thursday stated that only a handful of people use four-wheelers and need petrol. He added that 95% of the people do not need petrol. The government has given free COVID-19 vaccines to more than 100 crore people. It has given free treatments for COVID and distributed medicines door to door. If you compare with other states, then the fuel prices haven't been raised that much in Uttar Pradesh and the country. Tiwari was quoted as saying by news agency ANI. Aryan Khan and 7 others will remain in judicial custody till October the 30th, a special court in Mumbai ruled. The Bombay High Court on Thursday said that the bail plea of Aryan Khan, who has been in custody now since October the 3rd in a drugs case filed by the Narcotics Control Bureau, will be heard next Tuesday. Meanwhile, actor Ananya Pandey along with her father Chunky Pandey left from the NCB office after being questioned in the cruise ship drug raids case. The NCB, however, is yet to confirm if Ananya's case is connected to Aryan Khan's matter. Meanwhile, the agency officials were also spotted outside Shah Rukh Khan's residence, Mannat. A team of the Indian Army's anti-tank squad did a missile-firing demo in Arunachal Pradesh's Tawang sector near the border with China to show how they would destroy armoured targets. In visuals, the heavily armed soldiers are seen taking positions in bunkers on a mountain ridge from where they could observe enemy movement on a road in the distance. Visibility is low in the area due to a thick blanket of fog, but the army achieves its target.